Hello! Want to advertise online in Nigeria and pay with Naira easily? Learn how to use AdPay on Google Ads, a simple, stress-free way to run ads and pay locally. Google Ads helps businesses reach people online. AdPay is a way to pay for these ads, letting you use local payment methods like Naira in Nigeria. First, create a Google Ads account at link unavailable. Simple sign up with your Google account. In your Google Ads, find billing, then add a payment method. Look for AdPay for local payment options. Make sure billing is set to Nigerian Naira (NGN) for easy local payments. Add money to AdPay using local Nigerian payment ways like bank transfers. Check supported methods. Make your ad, pick audience, set budget in Naira, and launch. Google Ads helps manage it. Use the Google Ads dashboard to see how ads perform. Adjust as you like. Pay locally. Use Naira. Easy management. Manage ads and payments locally. Reach people. Target Nigerian or wider audiences. Check payment options. See what payment ways AdPay supports in Nigeria. Watch your budget. Manage ad spending. So now you know, using AdPay on Google Ads in Nigeria lets you advertise easily with Naira. Start reaching people today.